7, Dagot. Wearing jersey number 16, Gardose. Wearing jersey number 28, Redaha. And wearing jersey number 5, Gadi. And wearing jersey number 23, Magbanwa. Sa kabila, Team DCP. Wearing jersey number 33, Mahinay. Wearing jersey number 13, Descalzo. Wearing jersey number 9, Bunbon. Wearing jersey number 1, Conde. And wearing jersey number 24, Gaton. Again, this is the battle between Team Paleco versus Team BCP. Baka na! Captain ball ng Team Paleco, jersey number 33 ay sa kabila pala yan, si Mahinay. At sa kabila, si Dagot Jake. Wala lamang si Descalzo, pero nakuha ni jersey number 18. Pass to Dagot, behind the back. Dagot pass to Magbanwa, 3 points agad. Wala, big rebound, Bunbon. Conde. Pass to Bunbon, yan pala si Bunbon. Mahinay, bounce pass to Gaton, quick. Pass to Descalzo, siya na naman for down sound, wala. Nakuha ni Magbanwa ngayon. Magbanwa ngayon, nagmamadali, floater. Nothing but the net, goal for 2. Magbanwa. Mahinay nga, the front guard, slash captain ball. Pass to Conde, hook shot, wala, big rebound. Pinayaan lang ni Gadi, natapik ni Bunbon. Bunbon na nakasin yan. Conde, pass to Bunbon. Shot lock down the 10. Katon from downtown, Kapos. Pinayaan lang ni Descalzo. Grabe, shot lock down. 16, lumapasapan. Redahan to Magbanwa, pangalawang bukol sa 3 points, wala pa rin. Offensive rebound ni Gadi. Shot lock down the 10. Si Dagot na naman daw, wala pa rin talaga. Pass break pass, pero naman si Magbanwa. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 40. Magbanwa, hook shot, wala. Gatos, sinapin ni Gadi. Gandang pasa naman nun, hook, jump shot, Rita, wala pa rin. Offensive rebound na bitawan. Last 5 minutes and 26. Dagot, Bunbon, bounce pass to Conde. Mahinay, Gaton from down, tapos pa rin. Hoy, buti na lang, nandun si Conde. Pangalawang tirang tapos na yan si Gaton. Magwala na yan, beautiful block. One a great defense by Mr. Mahinay. Nakuha na yan ni Gaton. Gaton, pass to just number 1, Conde. Bounce pass to Descalzo, back to Conde. To Gaton, from down, south fake. Pass to Conde, shot lock down the 10. Conde from down south, nothing but the net, going for 3. Ngayon. Hoy, may tumutok na P2 foul on jersey number 1, Conde, illegal holding foul. Magbanwa. Pass to Dagot, running by Bustamante. Dagot ngayon, hook shot. Sumaba, big rebound, Descalzo. Pass to Mahinay. Pass to Conde ngayon, wala, big rebound. Tapos ng bola. Hoy, takit naman nun. Behind the back, Magbanwa. Hoy, nabitawan ng Bunbon. Pass break pass naman kay Bustamante. Bustamante sa ilalim Conde. Hoy, may pumutok na P2 foul. Who's foul net? Foul on jersey number 16. Illegal to Vance, Gardose. Who shots at Mr. Conde? Ay, first team foul pala. Sorry. Conde, yes, connect 1. Dagot ngayon. Pass to Gadi, going for someone. Pass to Dagot again, point guard, lumusot. Ano yun red? Not counted. Foul on jersey number 6. 16. The foul, second team foul. Dagot turn around, jump shot. Wala, big rebound, Descalzo. Mahina yan. Pass no Bustamante. Oy, what a great reject by Mr. Gadi. Pero sa Descalzo. Oy. Counter steal ni Mr. Descalzo yun. Foul on jersey number 5. Illegal is Vance Gadi. Shot from Mr. Descalzo. First throw. Yes, to take one. Sarang kabla yung may paling Pandoy. Ang cute ng kubo. Descalzo second throw. Not good. Big rebound. Minutes and 40. Shot lock down to 15. Dagot ngayon. Shot lock down to 10. Pump. Magbuanwa sa gilid. Outside 3 points. Goal for 3. Magbuanwa, the pretty boy. Conte. Lamlam naman yun. What a great hook shot by Mr. Descalzo. Yes, good for 2. Dagot. Shot knock down to the team, Mahinay. Bustamante from downtown, wala, big rebound. No, what a great follow-up by Mr. Jersey number 9. Good ball. Got it for the ball, pass to Dagot. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 48. Shot knock down to 3. Shot knock down to 14. Shot knock down to 10. Dagot from downtown, wala pa rin. Nalatatang Team Palenco. Mahinay ngayon, driving layup. Boy, tinabas. Hindi pala, hindi tinabas. Boy, tinayuan lang. Got it. Easy 2 points. Jersey number 16. To Descalzo fake. 3-point shot. Wala. Big rebound. Good ball. Grabe. Silian. Got it. Pass to Dagot. Dagot pa yun. Pinigpitan. Grabe. Oy. It's an offensive foul at tinawag ng ating referee. Foul on offensive foul at tinawag kay jersey number 7, Dagot. 13 na naman, Descalzo. Shot lock down to 10. Shot lock down to 8. Conte jump shot 3 points, wala. Back to muli tayo. Conte hook shot, wala. Ang na pala yung follow-up. Grabe naman yun. Conte good for 2. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Dagot tulong mo sa Juan. Paso Magbuanwa. Long 3. Magbuanwa wala. Nawali Bustamante. Remaining time 1 minute and 25. Oy, loose ball. Dagot ka na nabitawan ng kapit. Oy, buti na lang nabitawan. Loose ball. Sawad ka pala sa ating mga tanod. Gantose. Rita, tulosin yan. Gani hook shot, oy! Kitang-kita yung foul na yan. Who's foul rep? Foul on jersey number 16. Bustamante again. 3-2 fouls, official score. Oh, 14 na yun, 14 na pala yun. Rebound, grabe. Kala mo may spring ang paa. Bonbon na yun. Outside 3 points naman. Tuwan na inantay pa. 3 points, wala. Big rebound. Rebound. Last 55. Dagot gandang pasa, pick. Oh, reject. What a great defense by Mr. Descalzo. Pass break pass, Bonbon. Bonbon, 3 points, wala. Big rebound Gadi, pass to Magbuanwa. Last 40. Last 16 sa shot lock. Last 33. Oy, may pumatok na P2 foul na naman. Foul on jersey number 33. Holding foul ang tinawag kay Mahina. Magbuanwa yung manubol, pass to Rita. Gantose from downtown, wala, big rebound. Oy! Tumulas ng bola. Ayan. Bustamante, oy! Nagla ng butiki. Last 10. Last 5. 4. the 3 points, Magbanwa. Katon yung bottom pass to Pila. Katon from downtown agad. Yun na, bumana na. Goal for 3, Katon. Magbanwa ng kamadali, galing na Pila. Loose ball. Tubos naman din, back to Pila. Remain time, 6 minutes and 42 seconds. Yes, goal for 2, good ball. Ball to nating running up, ay 5 to nating run. Masawa, dagat. Outside, Magbanwa, 3 points. Wala, big rebound. Sino, Wakasugiba, just number 0, pass to Magbanwa. Magbanwa, driver left, yes, good for 2. Magbanwa, grabe, the small back to the ball. Pasok naman doon, naglag na lista sa bilog, 3 points. Wala, big rebound. Paula, pass to Dagot. Magbanwa, back to Dagot. Grabe, what a great track to County. Dagot at Magbanwa. Boss naman doon. Pag-escaso. Oh, paton from downtown. Wala, big rebound. Paula. Oh, what a great steal. Oh, papamanok na pitong foul. Foul on jersey number 9. First over ball, not good. Sergio. Yes, connect one. Dapat yan. Dari dari Pila. Shot lock down to 14. Shot lock down to 10. Dapat long 3 ay pangbalan, long 3 wala. Good ball. Pasok was naman tayo, siya na naman down. Nothing for the net, God for 2-way. Boss naman tayo. Up, loose ball. Bagpalo ngayon, pass to Dagot. Pinamita na lang naman, up. May pumatok na pitong foul. Foul on jersey number 16, Bustamante. Holding foul. Bustamante again. Third personal foul ka na, sir. Sirian. Oh, nabitawan. Pinlak ng pamadali. Lukon masamon. Football from downtown. Nothing but the net. Goal for 3. Football. Tapos ngayon. Shot knock down to the scene. Bounce pass. Magbanwa, bounce pass again. Jersey number 0, Dagot, hook shot, wala. Big rebound, Gadi. Back to 14 shot lang tayo, wala pa rin. Big rebound, Gustaso, pass to Katon. Katon ngayon, gandang laglag naman yun. May pumatak na pito, foul na naman. Foul on jersey number 21, Bauya. Illegally subans, 2 shots on Mr. Bustamante. First row by Bustamante. Not good. Selgo, jumpers ready. Yes, nothing but the net. Connect one. Asubaya jump shot. Gapos. Kunti lang, kunting tulak pa kayo doon. Discard sa ngayon. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 7 seconds. Katon, bounce pass to football. Look at someone. Football, up, loose ball. Last 10 second shot lang tayo mga sir. Again, last 10 second shot lang. Shot lang down to 8. Back to 14, big rebound. Dagot, pass to Magbanwa. Magbanwa, pass break pass. Gadi, ganda naman doon. God for 2. Gadi. Nakakita ng puwak si Magbanwa. Konde ngayon. Konde, jump shot, 3 points. Wala pa rin. Offensive rebound, Katon. Reject. Shot lock down to 8. Hoy, grabe si Pag. Good for 2. Good ball. Hook shot, grabe, ganito agad, dagat. Bonbon, hook shot, wala. Biniban ng Paula. Dagat na yan, pinali pa, grabe naman yun. Walang green day up kay Mr. Dagat Jeric. Pinlock, pass to Bonbon. Fade away, yes. Nilinisan pa ang ring, goal for 2, Bonbon. Last 2 minutes and 50. Dagat, walang great defense by BCB, Pinlock, bounce pass. Yes, easy 2 points. Ay, dapat pa rin Pinlock, oy. Oh, this ball. Tama drop. Pinlock, pass to Ronde. Long 3. Oy. Magpalwa. Grabe naman yun, what a move. Goal for 2, Magpalwa. Ronde na may score sa Team Pareco. Pinlock. Shot lock down to 10. Shot lock down to 8. Oy, anticipate na yung Mr. Gade. Pass to Magpalwa yun. Magbatang karate. Between the lines. Grabe. What a move naman. Two consecutive shot by Mr. Magpalwa. Oh, may pumadak na pinto. Foul, jersey number 18. Silenter foul ang tinawag kay War. First personal foul. 3D foul. Shot knocked down to 8. Bonbon sa foul sound. Offensive rebound. Descanso hook shot. Pinlock. Wala. Oy, butik na yan. Gamitan. Last 1 minute in 10. Shot lock down to 10. Tagot na naman. May pumadak na P2 foul. Foul on jersey number 4. Blocking foul ang tinawag kay Mr. Pinlock. 6 seconds. Again, remaining time. 1 minute and 6. Gading kat sa gitna. Simple shot. Wala. Tinayuhan lang ni Descanso. Big rebound. Conde hook shot off the glass. Call for 2. Conde. Dagot na naman. Pero nagagad ng laglag. Reject. Katon. Last 40. Pinlock, hook shot, wala, kanya pa rin. Katon from downtown, wala, big rebound, Cuddy. Last 30, offensive rebound. Ay, counter steal pala. Foul na naman, who's all that? 18. Again, Jamaican, that's 24. Shot knock down to 18 tayo, shot knock down to 18. Pinlock. Shot knock down to 13. Shot knock down to 10. Yes, goal for 2. Yes, goal for 2. Last 5, 4. Last 2 seconds tayo mga sir. Last 2 seconds. Magpala. 1. That's the end of our second quarter. 37-29. For the ball, pass to Dagot. Back to Magpalwa. Magpalwa, hook shot off the glass, wala. Big rebound, Descanso, pinasa ang Dagot. Ganda na sa noon, goal. Masyadong mataas. Mahinay. Shot lock down to 15. Conde from down south, US. Call for King Conde. Magpalwa, driving layup na naman. Grabe naman yan. Call for 2, Magpalwa. Pocket foul. Shot lock down to 15. Shot lock down to 12. Katon, hook shot, wala. Big rebound. Si Leon, good ball. Ay, mga pinataas. Mahina ilong masaman, pass to Bonbon. Aton, libreng-libre sa 3 points. Wala, big rebound. Hoy, Conte, nakatakaw pa yun. Shot lock down to 10. Katon, jump shot. Traffic, surbol talaga. Ibanez. Pass na rin na, back to Ibanez. Yosik, yes, good for 2. Ibanez. Descanso. Shot lock down to 13. Mahina, shot lock down to 10. Shot lock down to 8. Wala break skill by jersey number 8. Renta. Dapat pa yan. Oh, nice skill. Dapat lang. Pass to Conte. Nagpamadali. Conte, ganda ng shot. Sayang na yan. Madali. Hook shot. Basket counted foul. Basket counted foul on jersey number 24. Illegally Subhans. Katon. One shot at Mr. Magpanwa to complete the 3-point play. Magpanwa, yes. Kompleto ang tatlo. Good ball. Libre na nga sa 3 points. Big rebound, Ibanez. Paso Dagot behind the pop. Paso rin na jump shot. One. In and out. Hop. May pumutok na pitong foul na naman. Who's ball red? Parang jersey number 18, Renda ha. Renda, yung naman paso mahina ay Conte. Conte jump shot. Wala, big rebound. Hop. Loose ball. 42. In favor of Team BCB. Stop red. Dapat kayo na mga na yung hook shot. Conte, yes, good for 2. Dagot. Bustamante, good ball, Descanso, 3 points, siya na naman, pero wala. Bigli ba ulit na, pass break, pass down, Magpanwa ngayon, ay kananan, 4-4-2, Magpanwa. Dalawa na ang kalimangan, 4-2 nating run, 4-2-42. Good ball, up. Who's ball red? Foul on jersey number 0, Ibanez, pushing foul. Ganda naman na ball, pass lock Conte. Shot lock down to 10. Shot lock down to 8. Bustamante, long 3, wala. Big rebound Gadi. Pass to Dagot. Dagot to Ibanez na ipinlayap off the cross. 4-4-2. Ibanez. Deadlock na tayo. Amen. 6 natin na ang 200 feet. 3 points. Bumali agad, pakatay sunog. Conte, 4-4-3. Dagot, rebound the ball. Dagot. Dagot na yan. Guided by Conte. Pass to Ibanez. Fake. Traffic. Palawa na yan. Goal for 2. Ibanez. Remain down 3 minutes and 8 seconds. Shot lock down to Conte. Bustamante up. May pumutok na pito. Foul na naman. Who's foul it? Foul on just number 5. Gadi. Again, Gadi Ward, third personal foul, running court na natin na po ang Team Palego. Bustamante, second goal, nothing but the net. Dapat pass to Magpanwa. Off. May pumatok na pito, foul. Foul on jersey number 9, Bonbon, illegal Subhans. Magpanwa, long for someone, inbound the ball, pass to Dagot. Shot lock down to 15. Dagot, gandang laglag, Ibanez sa litawan, shot lock down to 10. Oy, Fernandon sa 18 na. Dagot, gandang pasa ng Dagot. Nagluto na ako, pero Dagot na nababanggit ka. Magpanwa ka na. Descanso. Oh, what a great defense by Mr. Gadi. Shot lock down to 10. Shot lock down to 8. Shot lock down to 5. Oh, offensive rebound. Loose ball. Sayang si Planting BCB. Dapat kaya anong basawan. Pasok ang Magpanwa. Magpanwa, hook shot off the cross. Pabunin, bumalan. 4-4-2. Magpanwa, lamang na. Grabe. 12 yung kanina. Last 2 minutes. Wonder, tama na yung sulong. Wala, big rebound. Sulong, takot ang goal. Bustamante. Shot lock down to 10. Shot lock down to 8. Descalzo, nothing but the mid. Goal for 3. Ang buwan na ngayon ng mga dali. Walang sinasayang na oras. Magpan mo, Pastorena ha. Jump shot, simple jump shot. Goal for 2. Bustamante ngayon. Shot lock down to the field. Up! Ano yun? 20 seconds. 10 and 20. Alto, pin lock. Shot lock down to 10. Shot lock down to 7. Shot lock down to 5. 4. Oh, what a great steal by Mr. Gadi. Gadi lumabas naman. 1 minute time. 1 minute and 2 seconds. Gadi pass na Dagot. Dagot. Gandang pasa naman yun. Meda, wala. Big rebound Descalzo. Last 50. Last 45. Bustamante to corner. Shot knock down to 14. Oh, may pumadak na pitong foul. Who's foul rep? Foul on jersey number 18. Rida. Penalty situation. Official score. Deadlock 50. 50-50. First throw by Mr. Bonbon. Not good. Second throw. In and out. Muntik lang. Last 35. Shot lock down to 15. Big. Big away. Red up. Yes. Good for 2. Last 25. Last 20. Shot lock down to 15. Shot lock down to 12. Shot lock down to 10. Shot lock down to 5. Last 8. Meron tayong shot lock ha. Last 5. 4. 3. Ulan. 54-50. All, muntik ng mastil. What? Ang bote na nandun si Rita. Gadi. Oh, walang kanawag ka. Sila. God bless them. God bless you. Kalso. Shot lock down to 12. Shot lock down to 10. Shot lock down to 7. Shot lock down to 5 tayo. Shot lock violation. Remaining time 7 minutes and 18 seconds. Shot lock down to 15. Shot lock down to 12. Shot lock down to 8. Off. First team foul. This is our last and final quarter. Gadi, hook shot, wala. Pinawalan ni Descalzo. Oh, grabe. Counter steal rin na. Counter ngayon. Bantang lang. Pinapilak pa ni Gadi. Wala rin na. Jump shot. Good for 2. Grabe. Lumobo na saan sa walo ang kalamangan ng team. Palito. Pinlock, dahil mo. Agad pala. Corner on the ball, pass to Pakan. Shot lock down to 10. Shot lock down to 6. Shot lock down to 4. Back to goal dito. It's up. penalty now. 50 in favor of Team Paleco. Control from down south, wala. Big rebound to ball, kaya nasalita. Gardosa off the glass, goal for 2, Gardosa. Remain time, 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Siren Conde from down south left. Goal for 3, Conde. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 2 seconds. Last 6 minutes. Shot lock down to the team. Beda jump shot. Big rebound Gardosa. Magwala follow up. Shot lock down to 5, 4. Yes, Karahafe. 200 layup. 1 for 2. Magwala. 5 minutes and 35. Shot lock down to 14. Shot lock down to 4. Bustamante from down south now. Good big rebound. Gotti. Fast break pass Dagot. 2 versus 3. Reda jump shot naman wala. Big rebound Monbon. Monbon ngayon. Pilihan Descanso from down south. Wala big rebound sa lakot Gardosa. Wala Dagot. Fast break pass naman banda. Gardosa looking for someone in front of the ball. Pass to Reda. Tumagpanwa. Last 5 minutes. Big rebound, dalawa lang sila. Descanso, pass break pass. Conde, reject. Target defense by Mr. Jadi. Dagot ngayon. Oh, may pumadak na pitong foul. Foul on jersey number 13, Descanso. Blocking foul. Play time, 4 minutes and 44 seconds. Shot lock down to 16. Shot lock down to 12. Magbanwa from down south. Ay, maling ng ilabas. Goal for 3, Magbanwa. Oh, goose ball. Naalakata ang Team BCP. Dagot. 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Shot lock down to 13. Shot lock down to 10. Shot lock down to 7. Up. Dagot. Shot lock down to 10. Shot lock down to 8. Gardosa wala. Yes, goal for 2, Magbanwa. Conde. Remain time, 3 minutes and 45. Shot lock down to 15. Shot lock down to 10. Shot lock down to 5. Pass break pass na naman. Masyadong malakas. 30 seconds. Descanso from down wala. Big rebound. Maabot sa Monbon magtalon. Monbon. May pumunok na pitong foul. Foul on jersey number 18. Ay 16. Gardosa illegally advanced. Pressure by Mr. Monbon. The winning time 3 minutes and 21. Pressure by Monbon. Inilabas na naman. Inaalat na talaga. Last 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Descanso. Last 3 minutes and 6 seconds. Up. Last 3 minutes. Shot lock down to 10. Shot lock down to 6. Shot lock down to 5. Up to 8. Second team foul pa lang ang Team Paleco. Again, Gadi you are running. Happy for foul. Fade away. Descanso wala. Big rebound. Inaalat na talaga ang Team DCP. Gadi ngayon. Pass to Dagot. Dagot, riding layup. Pinasa kay Magbanwa. Magbanwa ising na ball. Shot lock down to 14. Shot lock down to 10. Shot lock down to 5. 4. Bumbon, driving it up. PS good for 2. 2 minutes and 8 seconds. Up. Dagot, easy the ball. Shot knock down to 14. Shot knock down to 10. Shot knock down to 5. Up. Last 4 second shot knock tayo. Last 4 second shot knock. Rebecca, 1 minute and 53. Last 4 second shot knock tayo. 4-4-2, Boggy. Last 1 minute in 45. 1-4-2, Descaso. Last 1 minute in 40. $70-57. 1 minute in 30. Grabe naman yun. What a great combination by Mr. Bustamante and Descaso. Basket counted foul. Foul on jersey number 5, Gotti. Gotti or graduate. For both teams, tag-3 team fouls pa lang kayo ang 25.
Ano yan o?
Descanso connect 1. Kompleto ang 3. Last 1 minute and 20. Shot lock down to 15. Last 1 minute and 10. Last 1 minute and 4. Oh, grabe naman yun. Again, last 1 minute and 1 second. Back to 13 shot lang tayo. Bustamante. Katon from down south. Now, think about it. Goal for 2. Katon. Tama plus. Time out. Wala na kayong time out. 70-63. Pito na lang ka ng mga ng Team Talek. Last 56 seconds. Last 55. Last 50. Shot lock down to 15. Shot lock down to 10. Last 37. Last 35. Last 30. Oh. Last down shot clock. Last 25. Last 20 segundos. Last 20. Wala pang shot clock. Last 12. Last 10. Wala pang shot clock. Last 5. Congratulations sa team Talek. At sa team BBB, congratulations ka rin.